Hey, it's me, Lady V, back on another sew project. Today we're doing a halter top dhoti pants jumpsuit. Let's jump right into the sketch. Here is our illustration inspiration. Draw her up. Let me take you to my pattern. So you can see I have triangle top, waistband, and bottom and cuffs. So we're going to have triangle tops, 2 straps, our main fabric, and as you can see, we're going to flip that fabric up on the triangle to create the actual dhoti pants. I'm going to blow this up so you can see a lot better. This is how it's going to look, that triangle, and you'll have a waistband, and the back of the waistband, that's the front, the back of the waistband is going to have some elastic go through the back, so it'll cinch it up real nice for you. So this is what your pieces will look like. Let's jump into the actual making. So I have a 3-yard bundle of Walmart fabric that I got for $8, and I'm going to lay it out on the wrong side. So this is about 42 by 42. You can cut it in half if you want or not, but I'm just going to show you when I make the dhoti pants, all I'm doing is taking that corner and flipping it onto itself to make 2 big triangles. As you can see, that's your triangle. Now all you do is put in your crotch that you're going to cut out for your front and your back. Or you can use a pattern. So I have 2 different ways. You can do it that way where you just have your big triangle, cut that out, or you can lay down your actual harem pants pattern and cut that piece out. Make sure you make it wide enough so you can pleat it and get those nice pleats on your harem pants. I have my 2 straps and my triangle top. As you can see, I made it a bit wider so I could put those pleats in it. And here is the pattern and the fabric all cut out. It's all about the right pieces, and we have cuffs at the bottom of the pants. Alright, sew time. Alright, once we sew our top together, this is how it should look. You can pin it whichever way you want and cross the back with your tiny straps. Now let's jump into making the cuffs on our pants. Cut out the side, flip it onto itself. You will have your cuffs, and we're going to do the same thing with our waistband. Look how big our waistband is. Perfect! Insert the edges of that. And let's jump into the crotch of our pants. So this is the front. These 2 sides will be sewn together. But what's important is the back crotch of the harem pants, because they have to be long enough to be sewn together so they won't be too far up in your behind. So make sure you cut them deep enough. And then you can sew them together. So here we are at our halfway point. This is the bottom of the pants where your cuff is going to be attached to. So you must gather that area to match your cuff. So here you see it gathered. Add the cuff to it. And now we're at our halfway mark. All we have to do is pleat the waist before we attach to our waistband. Isn't that cute? Alright, let's attach it. And here we are. So pretty. Let's check out the final look. I love this. I live in these. I literally do. The front, the print, the back. Yes. So, I hope this helped. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in our next sew project. Bye.